Hi, this is Peter from the DJ Podcast with a native Instruments Maschine tip. When using Maschine in a live performance setting, you may want to adjust how Maschine jumps between scenes. Directly above the group selector is the word sync. By pressing on it, or the number to the right, you can access the Scene Sync menu. The value that you have selected will represent the length of time that Maschine will wait before jumping to the next scene that you select. The first four options in the menu are bar lengths. The longest bar length value is 1-1, which means that it will wait a whole bar before transitioning to the next scene. The shortest is 1/8, which is 1/8 of a bar. The fifth option that we have is scene, and by selecting scene, Maschine will wait until the scene that is currently playing has finished before jumping to the next scene. What's great about using the scene option is that you can jump to the next scene without worrying about where you are in the particular scene that you're in. And also it can be used if your particular scene is longer than one bar or is at an odd number of beats that may not coincide with the first four options in this menu. The final option is off, and when this is selected, Maschine will disregard the entire notion of quantization and it will immediately jump to the next scene. Now of course you can obviously do this from the Maschine hardware controller as well as doing it in the software. If you want to access the Scene Sync settings from the hardware, what you're going to want to do is first press the grid button, then you're going to want to go up to the sync tab using button number 2, and now you can select using the pads what type of quantization you want for the scene sync. So let's just take a look now at how some of the different scene options work. So right now it is at 1/2, which means it will wait a half bar before going to the next scene. So if we go ahead and press play and now jump to the second scene, you'll see that it waits and then it jumps. If I go and change this to something like 1/8, you'll see that the wait is even shorter. It's almost instantaneous. If I switch it to off, I can jump directly to the next scene without it waiting any time at all. And if I set it to scene, it will wait until the scene is completely finished before it jumps to that next scene. If you want to learn more about Maschine, go ahead and check out our other videos at youtube.com/thedjpodcast or at thedjpodcast.com. Thanks for watching.